Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Fetch app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to apps list here. And here can you looking for Fetch app or just click here on search. In here add Fetch. Then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, and you're looking for Fetch app. It's going to show for you like this. So then you will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.